We begin this morning's bulletin with some sad news coming in from Maharashtra. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, as we know, has died in a tragic plane crash, viewers, near Baramati in the Pune district. The chartered Learjet 45 aircraft he was travelling in went down and burst into flames while attempting to land in dense fog early on Wednesday morning, viewers. The flight was travelling from Mumbai to Baramati, where Pawar was scheduled to attend campaign events and public meetings. The aircraft approached for landing. It reportedly struggled in poor visibility then conditions and crashed close to the runway. The black box was recovered shortly after. Pawar's state funeral will be held today. Top leaders have started reaching Baramati to bid farewell to Ajit Pawar. Have a look.
महाराष्ट्र में दुखद विमान दुर्घटना हुई है। इस दुर्घटना ने महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री अजीत पवार जी और कुछ साथियों को हमसे छीन लिया है। अजीत दादा ने महाराष्ट्र और देश के विकास में अपना बड़ा योगदान दिया है। विशेष रूप से गांवों के जीवन को बेहतर बनाने के लिए उन्होंने हमेशा आगे बढ़कर काम किया। मैं अजीत पवार जी के परिवार के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। जिन साथियों को हमने इस हादसे में खोया है, इस पीड़ा की घड़ी में हम सभी उनके परिजनों के साथ है।
महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री और जमीन से जुड़े हुए जननेता श्रीमान अजीत दादा पवार, इनका एक विमान के एक्सीडेंट में बहुत ही दुखद निधन हुआ है। इसकी वार्ता आने के बाद समूचे महाराष्ट्र में बहुत ही दुख का वातावरण तैयार हुआ है। हम सभी के लिए इस प्रकार के जननेता को खोना एक अपरिमित इस प्रकार की हानि है। व्यक्तिगत मेरे लिए वो एक बहुत ही दमदार और दिलदार इस प्रकार के मित्र थे और हम दोनों ने साथ में काफी संघर्ष का काल भी देखा है।
आज महाराष्ट्र के लिए एक काला दिन कहूँ, एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना कहूँ, एक दुखद घटना कहूँ, ऐसी घटना जो हर एक के एक दिल को दुखाने वाली घटना आज महाराष्ट्र में घटी है। हमारे सहयोगी अजीत दादा पवार जी का प्लेन एक्सीडेंट में दुर्दैवी मृत्यु हुई है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही बेहद दुखद है और महाराष्ट्र के लिए भी दुखद है। उनके परिवार के लिए तो बहुत ही दुखद है। और अजीत दादा एक स्पष्ट वक्ता के रूप में जाने जाते थे। जो होना है वो तुरंत करते थे, जो नहीं होना है उसे साफ ना कहते थे।
And we have CNN News 18's Mayuresh joining us live from Baramati Medical Hospital, viewers. Mayuresh, good morning and thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Mayuresh, so you are right now present at Baramati Medical Hospital. Please tell us, has the state government ordered a formal inquiry into the circumstances of the crash yet?
Of now, the state government has not issued any official orders, but what I can tell you from the ground zero where I'm right now standing, I'm just standing outside the morgue where Ajit Pawar's mortal remains have been kept, and slowly the people who basically followed Ajit Pawar, people who basically supported Ajit Pawar have started gathering over here because they got the news that after yesterday's where his body was kept at Vidya Pratishthan, now his mortal remains have been kept at this morgue of GM. This is Baramati Medical College. So people have started gathering over here. Now the information which we have got it from the local police. From here, his mortal remains will be taken to his native place, which is Katewadi, where he's got an ancestral house. There, they will be kept till 9 a.m. After that, there's a small auditorium nearby his house. There, his mortal remains will be kept for the local residents of Katewadi to pay the last respect. And from 9 a.m., the final journey of Ajit Pawar will start, and at Vidya Pratishthan, which is again the institute which started by the Pawar family, and Ajit Pawar and Sunitra Pawar used to look after that. At Vidya Pratishthan ground, the final rites will happen. So the news which we are getting that from here, the mortal remains will be taken to his native place, which is Katewadi, which is approximately 9 to 10 kilometers from this place. Back to you.
Right, Mayuresh, please stay with us. We have CNN News 18's Yasha Kotak joining us live right now. Yasha, good morning and thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Viewers, it is to be noted that Yasha is currently present at Vidya Pratishthan, where Ajit Pawar's body will be kept for last darshan. Viewers, Yasha, good morning. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes. So, Yasha, since you're...
Yes, I'll show you the visuals.
Yeah, absolutely. So, since you're present there, you show us the visuals, and also if you could give us a detailed account of all the heavyweights who are set to join his last rites today. And then we'll come to you about flight operations and who cleared that, etc.
Absolutely. I'll show you the visuals from Vidya Pratishthan. This is the Vidya Nagari. In fact, when we speak of this very area, it is the university area, also known to be the place where Ajit Pawar got his education done from. And this very place, because we've been here before, we know that there, right here at the entrance is a museum dedicated to the Pawar family, which has pictures of Pawar family, which has pictures of Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar, and the entire life history of Pawar family. But right here, yesterday, just approximately a kilometer inside from here, was where the Vidya Pratishthan ground is. It was being made ready for the last rites of the former Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. His mortal remains were in fact brought from the hospital yesterday for a brief period for people of Baramati to pay their tributes. But considering there was heavy rush, the nature of the accident is such that the body could not have been exposed for so long at this Vidya Pratishthan. So for a brief while was where Baramatikars got a chance to pay last tributes to Ajit Pawar right here at Vidya Pratishthan, following which the body was moved late night to the hospital morgue, and after which today we expect that it will be kept at his residence for the last tributes by close families, family members and friends. And then like Mayuresh was speaking about, it will there'll be a last antim procession, the funeral procession across the entire Baramati, for people to pay the last tributes while he's on the go at Baramati, particularly because Baramati was very close to Ajit Pawar's heart. When we spoke to some people who have closely worked with family, they said that there were more than 500 times where Ajit Dada would have landed at the same airstrip where his unfortunate death took place yesterday. And every Saturday was a ritual where Ajit Dada would come back, at Baramati. So clearly it was a weekend ritual to come back to his residence at Baramati, and the same airstrip which has seen so many journey of Ajit Pawar saw his last journey. But clearly so far you see the kind of tight police bandobast that has been put into place, because the same place where the ground was being made ready yesterday, the work has already been completed there for the last rites of Ajit Pawar, which is now this very place has been kept under tight police bandobast, because say in a couple of hours from now is where you'd see VVIP movements taking place. You'd also see the funeral procession of Ajit Pawar headed inside, so which is where this place right now has been cordoned off. When you speak of celebrities, VVIPs that are expected We of course saw late last night the entire Uddhav Thackeray family visiting Ajit Pawar's residence at Baramati, wherein they spoke to the family members. They spoke to Ajit Pawar's wife Sunita Pawar, Parth Pawar, who's the son of Ajit Pawar. He was also present. The entire Uddhav Thackeray family with Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, Rashmi Thackeray, all of them were present. Apart from that, we've seen several VVIP movements taking place. Yesterday, the CM Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, both of them went to the hospital, met the family members. So far as we know, what we hear from our police sources is that the Chief Minister is headed back to Pune. We are expecting the Home Minister Amit Shah to be coming in via Pune to Baramati. So the Chief Minister will be coming back. We also expect Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde to be coming in. Apart from that, several key leaders, several top BJP leaders, leaders across the political parties, who will be making their way. In fact, what we witnessed at Baramati yesterday, NCP top leaders, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare, Shambhuraje Desai, all of them were already in Baramati yesterday. So all the key political leaders of Maharashtra, national leaders, BJP national president, all of them have already, have already started coming in towards Baramati. So, that's today where we see
Absolutely.
the last tribute being paid to Ajit Pawar is where all the big key political figures